Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today is another day of Vlogmas and another day of doing hair. I am gonna go get ready so I can go do grandma's hair. She wants twists. It shouldn't take too long, but we shall see. I'll see you guys over there. Alright you guys, now I'm at grandma's house and I thought I was gonna be doing twists, but instead we're gonna be doing comb coils. I'm going to be using this hydrating mist just to make sure her hair is not dry and it's moisturized. And I'm also going to be using this gel just to make sure her hair is nicely firm and put together at the end of every coil. Now these are not the products that I normally use to start off dreads or even a twist. These are the products that grandma had, so these are the products that I'm going to use. While using these products, I did not get the results that I wanted, but the products did coil her hair, so I did continue anyway. Throughout this whole process, I am parting every row that I'm working with. It makes it easier for me to have them already parted rather than one part at a time. You're gonna see me spraying this hydrating mist throughout her hair. At the beginning of every row, I try to spray this mist because it's very important that her hair isn't dry when coiling or it's not gonna turn out right. After spraying the hydrating mist, I like to follow it with the gel. Not only does the gel hold the coil together, but it also helps the hair glide on the comb. My parts are based on how she wants her hair to lay. After parting, it's very important that that section is fully detangled before you start twirling. The only thing left to do is to put the hair at the tip of the comb and twirl until you get to the end of her hair. I've never used this comb before for dreads, but grandma didn't have the coil comb, which is very small towards the tip, so I just used what I had. If these don't unravel, I think grandma might end up leaving these on her hair so it can lock. She did have locks a year ago, but she is a breast cancer survivor, so she had to shave the remaining hair that she had left. Her hair did fall out during chemo, and here she is a year later with a head full of hair. I applied spritz towards the end so that her hair could hold. This is my ending results. Grandma loved it. Hopefully in another month or two I can retwist her hair again. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, then go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe so you won't miss anything else, and comment if you have any questions.